Shalini, welcome back to my channel Little Pixie Dust. So few days back I reviewed Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick range, and previously they had total 10 shades in their range, but recently they have just added 8 new shades in their entire collection. So nothing has been changed from the previous range like quality, quantity, texture, price range. Only they have added 8 more new shades to the collection. We now have in total 18 color range in this entire collection. So I have bought total 4 shades from this 8 new color range. And in today's video I will be showing you the lip swatches of this 4 new liquid lipsticks. I have already reviewed this collection, so I will be mentioning the video somewhere here, or I will mention the video link in the description box below. So if you guys are interested to see the review, then you guys can check it out. If you guys are new to my channel, then thank you so much for tuning in, and please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started with the lip swatches. That's about it. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification whenever I post any new videos. You guys can follow me also on my Instagram handle. I will mention all the links in the description box below, so do check out. Guys, comment on the comment section below what's your favorite shade from this entire collection. So guys, I will meet you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.